Today's video is about business ethics, or the lack of business ethics from Apple. Yesterday I decided I was going to upload some files to my iPad Pro, and then I plugged into that the 30-pin camera kit that I've been using to capture files from my SD cards or connect to my cameras directly. Earlier this week there was an update to iOS 11. Suddenly it comes up on the iPad screen and says this accessory, this Apple-made accessory, is no longer supported. Now, to me, I thought that was pretty unreasonable because it worked prior to the update and now it didn't work. So I went back to the change log on the software to check if this was a thing that had been advised of that I'd overlooked, and it wasn't. So it wasn't in the software update. So I contacted Apple support to see if there was some kind of problem or a known bug. In the end, they sent me to their Apple store. The advisor in the Genius bar was also none the wiser as to what had caused this. The fix that was settled upon was that I needed to buy a new, up-to-date SD card reader on a lightning cable at around about £30 or £40. I also said to them that buying that wouldn't give me back the USB connection. They said, well, yes, we can sell you one of those as well. That's another 30 quid. So nearly £70 to get back functionality that prior to their software update I had. We managed to establish that the hardware that I got, my existing adapters, still worked. I told them that there is no way I was going to pay that money and that they needed to do something about it. Eventually, sense was seen, and a reasonable manager decided that they were going to give me 2 new dongles to replace the existing ones that I had, and they were going to be free of charge. So the message out there is you should watch out for that if you're updating your iOS and you happen to use the camera connection kit with an adapter. Hopefully this is good news and it will save some other consumers around about £70 in the UK. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.